The Integrated Bar of the Philippines has announced today that while they support the Bangsamoro Basic Law, they are still ready to question before the Supreme Court some unconstitutionalities that they will find in it. Victor Casare tells us why.
The Integrated Bar of the Philippines is keeping an open mind on the proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law, saying they have no definite position yet on the measure. IBP President Vicente Hoya says while they will be supportive of the Bangsamoro Basic Law as approved by Congress and they will promote its implementation, this is on the condition that it is within the parameters of the Constitution and the existing laws of the country. He says the IBP believes this is the only way to achieve lasting peace in Mindanao. But Hoyas warns that the IBP will not hesitate to question the BBL if they found unconstitutional provisions in it.
If after going over the approved law, the IBP shall find out that there are constitutional flaws in the law as approved, then I am announcing it to you today that we are going to seek redress and opinion from the higher court through the appropriate petition.
Earlier today, the IBP launched a special issue of their journal discussing the issues on the proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law. The journal contains articles on constitutional issues such as the Bangsamoro being a sub-state and the checks and balances in the Bangsamoro governments, written by legal luminaries in the country. Retired Supreme Court Justice Vicente Mendoza says the provision of the BBL on the parliamentary system of the Bangsamoro government is unconstitutional.
Are we going to buy peace and development at the expense of the Constitution? You can have peace and development without violating the Constitution.
House Ad Hoc Committee on the Bangsamoro Chair Rufus Rodriguez assures they will delete BBL provisions which are directly in contrast with the Constitution.
I support the BBL. I am confident that this will pass with a comfortable majority, but we should remove provisions that may be construed as a creation of a sub-state. Number two, we will remove provisions that we believe will be directly in violation of the Constitution.
For his part, Bayan Muna Party List Representative Nery Colmenares says the BBL should be responsive to the roots of the conflicts in Mindanao.
In fact, for me, a formal peace process may not even be necessary if government will only address the roots of the conflict. Usually injustice, poverty, corruption, discrimination, these are the roots. And that's where we will measure the BBL.
Victor Casare reporting for Y News.